You will need about 800 grams of red carrot grated, about 1 cup of sugar, about 800 milliliters of milk, about 6 tablespoons of ghee, about 5 to 6 cardamom pods, about 4 to 5 almonds finely slivered, about 4 to 5 cashew nuts finely chopped. For garnishing, about 4 to 5 cashew nuts, 4 to 5 almonds and 4 to 5 pistachios roughly chopped. So let us start. In a kadhai, I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of ghee and the carrot. We are going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the carrot is soft and nice. Now we are going to add in the milk. Make sure to add in hot milk. This is boiling now. We are going to cook this until it thickens up completely and it starts leaving the sides. And make sure you keep the flame at medium to high and stir this occasionally. So you can see all the moisture is out from it. Now we are going to add in the sugar to it. Mix it well. You can see the sugar is melted. Now we are going to cook until it leaves the side and becomes thick. Now we are going to add in rest of the ghee. Mix it well. Our halwa is almost ready. We are going to add in the cardamom, cashew nuts and almonds. Mix it well. Our halwa is ready. Serve this hot. Our halwa is ready.